I'll guide you through how to get more streams on Spotify without relying solely on viral trends. If you're looking to grow your audience and build a sustainable music career, or you want to maximize your reach and income from your music, and you need to get more streams on Spotify, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here are the complete steps to get more streams on Spotify. First, ensure your Spotify for Artists profile is fully optimized. Spotify for Artists is a free section on Spotify that gives you control over your public presence, allowing you to manage your artist profile, view audience data, and pitch your music to editorial playlists. Upload a high-resolution profile picture, at least 750 by 750 pixels, and a compelling header image. Write an engaging artist bio that tells your story and includes relevant keywords. Utilize features like Canvas for your tracks, list upcoming gigs, and use the artist pick to highlight your latest single or a curated playlist. Consistently promote your music on social media. Promotion is the megaphone for your music, allowing you to build an authentic connection with your fans and attract new listeners. It is how you turn a passive listener into an active fan, and ultimately drive more streams and build a sustainable career. For every song, create multiple pieces of content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Share behind-the-scenes moments, lyric explanations, and short performance clips. Actively engage with comments and direct messages to build a loyal community. Consider running targeted ads to drive active listeners to your music. You can also pitch your unreleased music to Spotify's editorial team through Spotify for Artists at least 30 days before release. This is your direct line to Spotify's expert curators who are responsible for the biggest and most influential playlists. A placement on a top editorial playlist can expose your music to millions of listeners, leading to a massive increase in streams, followers, and visibility. Also, pitch your tracks to independent playlist curators using services like SubmitHub. Playlists help your music get discovered. They are the new radio, and for a new artist, getting on them is crucial. A placement on a playlist can lead to a domino effect where your music is then picked up by the algorithm and recommended to new listeners. Use the data available in your Spotify for Artists dashboard. On the internet, data is everything. It is your ultimate tool for making informed business decisions, turning your music career from a game of chance into a strategic operation. Track your listener demographics, geographic locations, and what songs are performing best. This insight helps you understand who your audience is and what they respond to. Use this data to refine your content, promotion efforts, and release schedule to continually improve your results and drive more streams. Now that you've learned how to get more streams on Spotify, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Spotify video tutorials. Thanks for watching.